We would often see the lower thirds like this used on the video screen as a supplementary commentary. It can make it easier for the viewers to understand the video content. So in today's video, we'll show you how to use VideoProc Vlogger to make such a lower third. And without further ado, let's get the video started. First, open VideoProc Vlogger. We need to make a solid color image. So first, we click here, create a text layer. Change the text here to a blank space. Next, click here, adjust the background color to orange. Then, we click on this button to take a screenshot of the image and re-import the image into VideoProc Vlogger. And following this method, let's make a white layer. Again, take a screenshot and import it into VideoProc Vlogger. Delete the text layer we just made. Import the background image into the media library. Then drag them onto the video track. Next, import a solid color image to an overlay track, and resize and reposition it in the preview window. Next, let's go to the motion editor. Put a keyframe on the first frame. Make the box fit to the screen. Then drag the box down until there is only a small section left. Then pull the box completely out of the screen to the left. Next, drag the playhead to about 1 second and add a new keyframe. Then click here. Change the x-coordinate to 960. Then change the speed to smooth speed down 1. Keep dragging the playhead backward for about 20 frames. Click on the third keyframe. At this point, restore the box to its original position, and also change the speed to smooth speed down 1. Click Apply. This completes a lower third border. Next, we create a new overlay track and import a white layer into it. Adjust the position and size in the preview window to make it the same as the previous lower third. Click on Motion. Make another lower third border in the same way, only this time all the moves are in the exact opposite direction. Of course, you can also do it another way. Copy the previous lower third to the new overlay track. Click on the color and find the HSL panel. Select orange. Adjust the saturation to the minimum. Adjust the luminance to the maximum to make the layer white. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Find Transform. Click on Vertical Flip and Horizontal Flip. Next, just place it in the appropriate position in the preview window. Then, let's find the title in the top left corner. Select the title 6 and drag it to the subtitle track. Click on Edit Text. Enter something here. Change the text font. Then change the text color and text border color. Click here to select the text animation. Find the Clip Down row. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Adjust the position value and change the font size. Align the text with the border. Drag the position of the clip in the timeline. Make the text appear at the right time. Use the same method to create the text below. This time, choose Clip Bar row. This completes the lower third. Well, this is all for today's video. Be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we will see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!